unsafe. I will push in the heat so that I can do more tomorrow, making every day better. That the last, that is what MS Daddy is all about. The doubt, the hate, just fuel it, doesn't make me hesitate. So y'all show up late to the MS fight.
Alright guys, thanks for joining me again. I didn't feel I got enough bike ride outside, so I'm going to ride this stationary bike a while. So thanks for joining me. Here we go. Beast mode. What did you guys get into today? Comment below and let me know what you guys got into. Oh, I dropped my foot off there. Got to be careful sometimes when you have drop foot. You ride a bicycle, sometimes your foot can slide off the pedal and you hit the ground, you wreck. So I tend to, at least on my normal bike, I have pedals that are more grip and bigger, so my foot don't has more of a purchase on the pedal that way. But here on the stationary bike, I don't have those. Got a little bit harder, a little resistance on it, a little bit more. Running about almost 70 joules. Have a little RPM meter on here. That's the way you know if you're slowing down or if you're maintaining the same speed. I like to keep around 60, 70 RPM. And if I tend to get a little tired, I'll slow down the friction, or I'll lessen the restraint, the resistance, I guess you'd say. I lessen that to pedal some more. What's up, Miss Olivia? What's up, Miss Olivia? How's it going? You gonna go outside? You wanna go outside? Yeah? Duty calls. Duty calls when you're MS Dad. Never a dull moment. Pardon me as I go let little Miss Olivia outside. But after that little walk in there, I think I'm going to call it quits. My legs are a little bit like yellow. So I'll call it quits there. And we'll see if I can get back to it again later. We'll see if I get a little burst of energy. I'll attack again, and we'll see again. You know, every time I get a little bit of energy, I'll do a little bit more. But as always, my friends, looking amazing. Keep smiling, friends. You look good.